Hi, Dr. J with Planet B Foundation. I'm going to show you how to wire a frame. So here's our Primal B frame. We're going to need an empty frame, a pair of wire cutters, and some wire. Any beekeeping wire should work. First step is to figure out how much wire you need. And it's about 4 lengths of the Primal B frame, 4.5 or so. So I take measurement. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little more, about a half. And that should be plenty. Then I cut the wire. And then it seems to help to get it do a side at a time. So I start out at the bottom here, and I put that wire through the hole at the bottom of the frame. And then I bring it up to measure until I have about half on either side of that hole. So now I have about half of the wire on either side of the hole, and I pinch that wire together and then give it a couple twists. And one of the key things you want to make sure that you're trying to keep the wire in the very center of the frame. So now that I have my wire separated onto 2 sides and I'm through that hole and I have a little twist there, I'm going to start working on each side at a time. So I'm going to separate this wire. And half is going to go up this side, the other half the other side. It's kind of like tying shoelaces. So for one side, I'm going to go over and wrap it around this peg a few times on the top and the bottom. And then I'll go under the wire and pull it a little bit taut. You don't want to pull it too much or else you'll bend the frame. You just want enough tension where the wire stays in the center plane of the frame. I'm going to try to zoom in here and just show you. Here's my wire at the hole. And here's my wire at the peg. And I've wrapped it over and under and around once. And here, I've just wrapped that around once.